Hi guys, welcome to my channel Sikkim Yoga Girl and Family. If in case you have not subscribed to my channel yet, or if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel. And well, if you guys didn't know me already, my name is Deepa, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about my skincare routine during my pregnancy. I'm in my 35th week of pregnancy, and so far the journey has been so good, and I have been using this cream moisturizer since my first month of pregnancy. Until now I have not got any kind of stretch marks, so I thought it's better that I share with you guys, and so that you also have a very nice stretch free pregnancy. Okay, so this product, we made it at home. We love to try new things, making new things at home. So this cream, we made it using shea butter, cocoa butter, rosehip oil and other natural oils. So right now I'm not going to talk much about the cream that we made, because this is almost over, like you can see, so I have to make a new one. So whenever we make a new moisturizer, I'm going to shoot a video and then I will just post it so that you guys can also try it at home. It's super easy and it's very economical as well, as compared to the same kind of products that you purchase in the market. So yeah, so I'm going to keep this aside, and hopefully I'm going to make this in a day or two, and I will link and I will post a video about this particular cream or moisturizer. And the other product that I bought during my 8th month of pregnancy is this product from the Moms Co. Well, guys, this is not a sponsored post, so whatever I'm talking in this particular video is a very honest review that I'm giving. So well, I got this moisturizer because one of my relatives suggested me. She did not have any stretch mark during her pregnancy, so, and even I checked the reviews, so the reviews were quite good. There was no plans of buying this one as such, but I just wanted to be extra safe, even though like till my 8 months I had no problems, no stretch mark, anything of that sort. Even if you say I've not used it much, like it's still there, like so. So what I do is sometimes I use this, sometimes I use that. But yeah, even this is a good product that you can use. So whenever you're applying moisturizers, make sure that you apply these moisturizers all around your belly, in your back, in your bum, on your hands, feet, everywhere, because what most of my friends did were they were applying this cream only on their belly, so the belly was safe. But then later they told me that even they had some stretch mark on their bum or on the thighs. So if in case you guys want to avoid stretch mark anywhere else, then you apply this cream everywhere wherever you don't want stretch mark. Okay, so well, that's all about the moisturizers that I'm using for stretch mark. Coming to the face part, what I'm using is, again, I'm using this same cream that this is like an all-rounder cream that we have made. So I use this cream on my face as well. And again, like, I will not talk much about this because you guys will not be able to buy it right now until unless I give you the ingredients as how to make this at home. So again, I'm keeping it aside. The next product I'm using is this oil from Nykaa. It's the argan oil. So this, I was using it before my pregnancy. I did not buy it recently, so I use it sometimes, especially when I'm going out. So I use this oil first, and then after that I use sunscreen. So just to avoid the dry flaky skin. And the next one for my skin, next product for my skin I'm using is this product from Moms Co again. This is the Natural Vita Rich Face Serum. So I checked the reviews online, and then many people, they have mentioned that they were getting some freckles during pregnancy and they use it, so it was quite helpful. That's what they said. And then I bought it when I was in my 4th month of pregnancy. So since then I have been using, so, and I am very poor with maintaining skin and like with my daily routine and skincare routine and stuff like that. I was very irregular, so whenever I felt like okay, now my freckles are getting darker, and that's only when I use. But then again, whenever I did the job, I just skipped it. So I think you, if in case you're using this product, use it on a regular basis, and I think that's the only way of getting a good result, unlike me, because I did not use it like that. So but whenever I used it initially, it was doing the job quite well. I was quite regular with it, and whenever I used it regularly, it was doing the job. And now in my 35th week, I can see that the freckles are getting darker, and I have like marks over here around my nose, and then on the sides this part is like it's full of freckles. So these days I'm quite regular with this, so I use it before going to bed. Next one for my eyes, I'm using this one again from Momsco. Okay, this is a natural Vita Rich under eye cream, so it's again very convenient to use. So you open it and then you have this thing, so whatever, when you just pump it once, this is how it comes out, the cream comes out, and then you can just apply on both your eyes like this. So you can just apply one and one, and then you can just apply this. So it's very easy to apply as well, because it has this thing, this circular ball, and it becomes very easy for you to apply under your eye. And I have been using this since, yeah, I think 4th month of my pregnancy, and it is, especially I have very puffy eyes, so if you can see, like there are some eye bags underneath my eyes, so it is very good in reducing your eye bags. And and all in all, it's a good product. Nothing much to complain about this product. I really love this. It's doing the job perfectly fine. I'm not going to switch on to other product as well, because I love this one. It's quite good. If you have baggy eyes or dark circles, then definitely go for this. No complaints. And the next product is this one, face wash from Momsco again. Again, this is a very good product, I would say. I usually don't use face wash normally, but and my skin is so dry and none of the face wash suits me. But this is something I have been enjoying a lot. It's like, for me, it's working really well. So even I can recommend this product to you. It's very good. It's paraben free. I don't know much about cosmetics because I am not a makeup person as such, but the very limited product I use, and this is one of my favorites, since none of the face wash suits me, and this is something that is suiting me till now because of my super dry skin. And now coming to the sunscreen part, I am using this sunscreen since 2012, so I'm a very loyal customer of this brand, Neutrogena. It suits me quite well, and I don't have any plans of switching on to the next cream. So right now, these days, what I do is, since I have like a little bit of freckles coming around on my face, and what I do is, whenever I'm going out, I mix this cream with little bit of this foundation from MAC, and then apply on my face. Before that, I also apply this oil. So first I use this oil, and then I mix these two creams, and then I apply it on my face. And I use this compact from MAC, and it's quite good. So there's a sponge over here, so you can just dab it and then apply it on your face. So I use this one, and then lastly, just for a little bit of touch up, I use this Cheeky Glow from Maybelline. It's so super easy to use, and then I just brush it and then just apply it once or twice, and then I'm done. So nothing much. For lips, I'm using this lipstick from MAC. It's a Ruby Woo shade. Super nice. I think this is the shade, I think it suits everyone, so you can definitely go for this one. And for eyes, I'm using this kajal from Maybelline. It's super easy to apply with the help of the brush. Or if in case you're not comfortable using this one, then I think you can apply any kajal, the pencil kajal that you get it. So yeah, this is all I use for my skin. So this is the very simple skincare routine that I do. Again, I'm not a beauty vlogger, so I don't know much about, or rather I don't know anything about this makeup stuffs, but this is the very simple skincare routine that I do, and it's working perfectly fine for me. And yeah, so I thought, if in case you are also like me, who does not know much about makeup, then maybe these products might help you in your skincare routine. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys did, then please give a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.